Are you using CarPlay every day but still feel like it's just for playing music and checking maps? If so, you're missing out on a whole set of hidden features that can make your drive smoother, safer, and much smarter. In reality, 90% of CarPlay users never unlock its true capabilities, simply because they don't know how to access the settings buried deep inside the iPhone. In this video, you'll discover tips, customizations, and advanced features that almost no one touches. And with just a few minutes of proper fine-tuning, your CarPlay can become a powerful tool instead of just an extra screen in your car. Take 3 seconds to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the latest videos. 1. Automatic driving focus. Driving focus is a feature CarPlay uses to help you stay more focused while driving. The best part is this: you can set it to turn on automatically every time you get into the car without needing to remember anything. Just open your iPhone, go to Settings, select Focus, then choose Driving. At the bottom, you'll see the automatic activation options, and all you need to do is turn on Activate with CarPlay. From that point on, whenever you plug into CarPlay or connect wirelessly, driving focus will automatically turn on. Inside this menu, you can adjust how your phone reacts while you're driving. For example, you can choose which people are allowed to call or text you while the car is moving, while all other notifications will be held back. You can also redesign the home screen to better fit driving, fewer apps, cleaner icons, or a wallpaper that's less distracting. All of this happens with just a few initial setup steps. After that, whenever your car and phone connect, driving focus will handle the rest, filtering out unnecessary notifications, keeping important contacts reachable, and helping you stay focused on what you actually need to look at, the road ahead. 2. Customizing the CarPlay interface. Many people don't know that the CarPlay interface can be completely rearranged based on your usage habits. It's not fixed the way it appears the first time you connect it. The interesting thing is that you don't make these changes directly on the car's screen. Holding and dragging icons like on an iPhone won't work. Because of this, many users skip this feature, even though just a few minutes of proper adjustment can help you find apps faster when you're driving. To change the layout, you need to do it on your iPhone. Go to Settings, select CarPlay, and then choose your vehicle. At this point, the entire app layout as it appears on your car's display will show up on your phone. You can drag the apps you use daily, like Maps, Music, or Messages, to the first page so they're easy to find without swiping while the car is moving. Apps you don't use can be hidden to keep the interface cleaner and easier to read. Rearranging the layout not only makes the screen look cleaner, but also reduces the time your eyes spend searching. When familiar apps are exactly where you expect them, your actions become quicker and far less distracting. And if you ever rearrange something incorrectly or want to return to the default layout, just tap the reset option and everything goes back to normal. 3. Turning off badges and notifications. One of the reasons many people dislike opening CarPlay is the constant notifications that pop up on the screen. Unread messages, emails, and app alerts, they stack up into rows of red dots that clutter the display and easily distract you while driving. Notification badges on iMessage or Messenger can reach dozens of unread texts, and even a quick glance can pull your attention away from the road. The good thing is that you can turn all of this off directly on your iPhone. Go to Settings, open Notifications, select each app, and turn off badge icons, or disable notifications altogether when using CarPlay. Just this simple change makes the CarPlay interface much cleaner, without red symbols pulling your eyes toward the screen instead of focusing on the road. Turning off notifications doesn't mean you'll miss important messages. You can choose to keep alerts for essential apps, like phone calls or texts from family, and disable the rest. This gives you a balance, staying reachable to the people who matter without being distracted by things that don't. 4. Customizing wallpaper and interface. One interesting thing is that CarPlay isn't as rigid as many people think. You can completely change the wallpaper and the way the interface displays to better match your eyes and your driving habits. Yet, most users don't even know this feature exists. They leave CarPlay on its default wallpaper, which is sometimes too bright or too vivid, easily causing distraction when driving at night. When you open the settings menu directly inside CarPlay, you'll see the wallpaper section. Apple offers several options: dark images, light images, soft gradient styles, or bold color themes. The nice thing is that you can choose a color tone that matches your car's interior or pick a darker one to make nighttime driving more comfortable. For those who often travel long distances, reducing overly bright lighting really makes a noticeable difference. Besides wallpaper, you can also adjust the interface to light mode or dark mode. If you set it to automatic, CarPlay will switch to light mode when it's bright outside and switch to dark mode when entering tunnels, when it gets dark, or when the car moves into low light areas. This helps your eyes transition more smoothly and prevents sudden brightness changes from startling you. CarPlay isn't just where you view maps and apps, it's the part of the cabin you look at the most. With the right customization, every time you step into the car, you'll feel more comfortable, stay more focused, and experience less visual clutter. Small details that actually lead to a much better driving experience. Subscribe to the channel to get the latest video updates. 5. Voice control. One of the most overlooked features on CarPlay is voice control. Many drivers think Siri can only be used to make calls or open maps, but in reality, you can control almost the entire interface using your voice, and you don't need to say, "Hey Siri," every time. While driving, this is the safest way to operate the system because you don't need to reach for the screen or look down to find an app. To activate it, simply open the settings on your iPhone and go to Accessibility. Inside, you'll find the voice control option, and when you turn it on, CarPlay will display a small icon whenever the feature is active. From there, you can say simple commands like play music, go to home, screen, scroll down, or open maps. CarPlay will respond immediately without requiring you to touch any buttons. What's nice is that voice control isn't limited to a few fixed commands. You can use it to switch pages, go back, open your recently used app, or access settings that normally take several steps on the screen. For drivers who prefer to keep both hands on the wheel, this adds confidence because they don't have to take their eyes off the road. Voice control is also especially useful at night, on rough roads, or when driving at high speeds on the highway. Those are the moments when you don't want to touch the screen because one wrong movement can make you drift lanes or steer unevenly. Voice commands are the safest hands-free tool that CarPlay provides. 6. Shareplay and enhanced Apple Music. One familiar issue when riding with others is fighting over who gets to control the music. Someone wants their playlist, another wants to skip songs, and eventually the phone gets passed around, which is inconvenient and unsafe. Shareplay on CarPlay was designed to solve exactly that. When you open Apple Music and select this feature, the screen will show a QR code that everyone in the car can scan with their iPhone. In just a few seconds, everyone can add songs, change songs, or manage the queue, without you needing to hand your phone to anyone. It's the simplest way to keep everything organized, especially during group trips. Alongside Shareplay, Apple Music and CarPlay has many useful features that most people still haven't fully explored. When you like a song, adding it to the suggestions section allows the system to learn your preferences and recommend similar songs, creating a continuous stream of music tailored to your taste without needing constant input. You can also create a station from just one song and let CarPlay play everything with the same style. Importantly, Apple Music doesn't always show the full upcoming list. So many people think CarPlay doesn't have a queue feature. But by opening the Up Next section, you'll see every upcoming track and can rearrange them quickly. This is extremely useful if you want to adjust the playlist while the car is moving without spending too much time looking at the screen. 7. Accessibility. Many people think the accessibility section is only for those with vision or hearing issues, but in reality, there are several features inside this menu that make driving safer and more comfortable for anyone. CarPlay is designed so you don't have to strain your eyes, squint to distinguish colors, or miss important sounds on the road. Color filters are a perfect example. If you find CarPlay's colors a bit washed out and hard to distinguish, or if bright lighting makes your eyes tired quickly, the color filters can adjust the tone to make everything easier to see. You don't need to be colorblind to use them. If you simply want to reduce glare or make the interface more consistent when driving at night, color filters help reduce eye strain. A small adjustment, but extremely helpful for anyone who spends long hours on the road. Sound recognition is also worth enabling. In heavy traffic, honks or sirens can sometimes blend into wind noise and cabin noise. When activated, CarPlay can detect key sounds like ambulance sirens or emergency horns and display an alert right on the screen. If you often drive on large highways or tend to play music at a higher volume, this feature becomes a valuable extra layer of safety. In addition, some people prefer bold text to make it easier to read when glancing quickly at the screen. You can turn on bold text to reduce misreading or the need to stare too long at the display while driving. 8. Turning off artwork to reduce distraction. If you use Apple Music on CarPlay, you're probably used to seeing large album artwork on the screen whenever a song plays. For some people, that's a plus because it looks vibrant and lively. But for many drivers, especially those who often drive at night or spend long hours on the highway, the constantly changing artwork can pull the eyes away from the road without you even realizing it. Colorful artwork usually has high contrast. When driving in dark or low-light environments, sudden changes between album covers can make your eyes linger too long as they adjust to the brightness on the screen. It's not immediately dangerous, but these tiny moments of distraction add up, and just one moment is enough to create risk when driving at high speed. CarPlay offers a setting to reduce this distraction, turning off artwork. In the music settings on your iPhone, simply disable the album artwork display. CarPlay will then show a neutral, soft background instead. All track information remains, but without the bright, colorful blocks. The interface becomes cleaner and easier on the eyes, especially useful for night drives. 9. Apple Intelligence and Enhanced Siri. The biggest change to CarPlay this year comes from Siri itself. In the past, Siri mainly handled basic commands like calling, playing music, or giving directions. But with Apple Intelligence built in, Siri now feels like a real assistant, more aware, more accurate, and much better at processing information while you're driving. The most convenient improvement is the ability to answer questions you previously had to look up on your phone. You can ask about a singer's tour dates, last night's game results, or the release date of a new album, information that Siri couldn't provide before. Now, thanks to Apple Intelligence and faster data retrieval, the answers are presented quickly and cleanly, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. However, Apple still prioritizes safety. When an answer is too long or requires displaying too much detail, Siri will refuse to read it to avoid keeping you focused on the screen for too long. That's why some questions only receive a short summary instead of the full detailed explanation. Apple Intelligence also helps Siri sound more natural. The voice is smoother, the pacing is easier to follow, and new animations make the interface look modern without causing distraction. For drivers who frequently travel long distances, having an assistant that understands context and responds quickly without requiring any screen interaction creates a much more reassuring driving experience. 10. Offline music and podcasts. One of the most frustrating situations when using CarPlay is when everything is running smoothly and suddenly the music stops, or your podcast freezes because the signal drops, or you enter an area with no data. This happens more often than you think, especially on long drives, when passing through tunnels, climbing mountain roads, or driving into rural areas with weak reception. And this is exactly why Apple allows you to listen completely offline, as long as you prepare ahead of time on your iPhone. The simple step many people forget is this: just download your playlist, album, or a few podcast episodes before getting in the car, and CarPlay will automatically recognize them and play everything smoothly throughout the entire trip. No loading, no worrying about weak signal, and no more moments where everything goes silent halfway through a song or podcast. On road trips, this is a true lifesaver. If you often listen to podcasts, downloading a few important episodes ahead of time ensures you won't get interrupted while you're focused on the content. And for music, saving tracks offline helps you avoid Apple Music constantly changing quality or dropping audio when the signal weakens. All you have to do is open your local library and everything plays consistently. In addition, because CarPlay doesn't depend on mobile data when playing offline, your iPhone battery drains less. The CarPlay screen stays smooth, doesn't lag, and doesn't need to buffer, something anyone who has driven through mountain regions or long highways knows can be extremely annoying. 11. Apple Maps tips and sending ETA. Apple Maps on CarPlay isn't just for getting from point A to point B. Once you understand the hidden features inside, navigation becomes much easier, especially on long trips or when you need to make quick decisions. Inside Apple Maps, many people don't know that CarPlay has its own way of zooming. Since you can't pinch to zoom like on an iPhone, all you need to do is open the side control bar to zoom in, zoom out, or move the map around. This helps you view intersections or the overall route clearly without wasting time fiddling with the screen. The most important feature is sending ETA. When you're driving and want to let someone know what time you'll arrive, you can simply tap Send ETA, and Apple Maps will automatically send your estimated arrival time. If there's traffic or if your route changes, the ETA updates automatically so you don't need to text while driving. Maps also lets you pin your home, workplace, or frequently visited destinations. That way, you only need to say, navigate home or tap the pin location without having to enter the address each time. When combined with Siri, everything can be done through voice commands, helping you stay focused and spend less time looking at the screen. CarPlay has many small features that, when used properly, make every trip safer, more convenient, and far less distracting. From reorganizing the interface and optimizing notifications to smarter music and navigation tips, all of these help you drive more confidently. When understood and used correctly, CarPlay isn't just an extra screen. It becomes a real driving assistant for every journey. Did this video help you? Subscribe to help us reach 30,000 subscribers.